You guys remember that video? It seemed to get a lot of likes when I was delivering that 69 Camaro that was yellow. Here's that same 69 Camaro. And yeah, so just want to go over some of the stuff that's happening to this thing. Obviously, it's going to end up with a smooth firewall. It has the Roadster Shop Spec chassis on it with the big Baer brake kit all the way around. Currie Ford 9-inch in it. And then we got the LT4 swap going on here with the Wegner Performance accessory kit. We are a Wegner dealer for anybody that wants Wegner product. And inside here, we've got a full floor pan replacement with the raised tunnel to make room for the larger transmission. And of course, everything was braced before the body came apart. And people skip this part, but if you don't brace these things really, really well, the body will twist when you have the floors out, and you'll never get them right again. The quarters on this car were NOS GM quarters, done when the car restoration was done. Obviously, it's going through another restoration now.